In this video, I'm going to talk about the integrated development environments we're going to install for each programming language we'll be using in this course. So for C++, we're going to use code blocks as our IDE. For Java, we are going to use Eclipse. For PHP, we are going to use XAMPP. For Python, we're going to use PyCharm. So let me remind you again that our language of instruction is still going to be C++. Okay, that's our primary language of instruction. Then each programming language can have multiple and different IDEs, but these are the particular ones that I've chosen for each programming language. So in the next videos, let's install the integrated development environments for each programming language separately.